Hey there, I am Lucy Cook-Hildreth, the owner of Stregare Baking Company, Stregare Farms, and Stregare Group. You are now in our kitchen building. We're actually going to be renovating this old metal building that we inherited as we moved into this farm several years ago. This is going to be our commercial kitchen. We're pretty excited about it. It's going to be 1,200 square feet of space. We're going to start nationally shipping our cheesecakes, everything else that we do, pretty soon. So coming in 2021, we should have a fully functional commercial kitchen out of this building. I just wanted to say the reason that we have a farm and a bakery, I know that sounds a little crazy, but we actually moved out here with the intent of sourcing our own chicken eggs, and we got our own chickens. We started doing that back in 2016, and we are really excited about making sure that all of our quality ingredients come through as much locally sourced areas as possible, and if we can grow it on our farm, we do try to do that. So we have our chickens, and so all of our eggs for all of our baking comes from our own chickens. And we also planted an orchard a few years ago, so we do have some of our own fruits. And we do locally source our nuts that we use, and we are talking about setting up a greenhouse at some point on the property so that we can control the quality of the berries that we get. We'd like to grow our own lemons, blueberries, raspberries, all that sort of fun stuff. So we've been doing weddings since 2015, and we're pretty excited about doing them. It's one of my favorite things that we do, and working with our brides and our clients is so much fun. It's one of the more unique opportunities that we have, and we offer a lot of fun options. Like I said earlier, we specialize in cheesecake. I do some layer cakes, but we've done things with cheesecake that I haven't really seen anybody else do. We can stack them, we can make them look very traditional, we can make them look very not traditional. Whatever your style is, we can meet it. And we also, on top of that, we make a really good quality product. There won't be any leftovers, I promise. So we do a lot of other things now too, just because we've been working with brides for so long. So we do cookies and brownies and fruit bars, and we bring the same attention to detail and quality to all of those things that we do our cheesecakes. So again, sourcing all of our ingredients as locally as possible. We do make some exceptions for some imports. I bring all of my chocolates in from usually they're a Ghirardelli chocolate or something like that, some kind of a yummy import. But yeah, pretty much we can make it happen. If you can dream it up, I can probably make it happen in cheesecake. Part of the fun is you can come out and see the farm. We are developing a full-scale sheep dairy. Yes, that's correct, a sheep dairy. So that's going to tie back into our cheesecake business. We are ultimately going to be pasteurizing the milk and making some very unique cheeses out of that sheep's milk. So it's something unique and special. We're going to have it open up to the public so that they can come see it, and we'll be delighted to have anybody out that wants to come and check it out. So if you are interested in learning more about Stregare Baking Company, certainly if you're interested in having us cater any of your events, your wedding, or if you just want to hang out and eat cheesecake over the weekend, just give us a call. You can certainly visit us online at www.mad